Texas, 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 y'all be doing it again. Guess what? You guys have another law that's kicking up, and this one is going to be a huge game changer. Ladies and gentlemen alike, the new law that's coming out in Texas is going to force both the mother and the father to get a job before child support is calculated. So the father can't not work and not pay, and the mother can't not work and only expect him to pay, which is going to lower the amount of child support that has to be paid and increase the number of people who are paying child support. It's kind of a win-win in both directions. This means the father can no longer be a bum, and the mother can no longer claim that she has no money and needs all of your money.
So long story short, for the first time, Texas is about to enact a law that is going to force both parents to take care of the child. I don't think it's fair that one parent should have to pay and the other can stay home and quote unquote take care of the child, when in actuality, they're just avoiding work. That's not what's going to happen here in the state of Texas. They have made it abundantly clear. Both conditions for both parties to supplement calculating the child support for the child is determined by the income that both parents have to bring to court for them to happen. I see a ton of laws coming into the works, several laws. One, in my opinion, that should be is the child support should go on a debit card, and the only way the money is to be spent is if the money actually goes for what the child needs. Clothes, school supplies. I can keep going here. The point is, there are too many deadbeat parents that are taking advantage of the system, and that must end now. No more deadbeat society at home while you're collecting a paycheck. No, you get your butt to work, you collect that paycheck, you help that child, no matter which side of the table you sit. I think eventually it will come down to parenting time, regardless of how much both parties cannot get along with each other.
What do you do for a living?
I don't work. I take care of our kid.
So you're a stay-at-home mom?
Mm-hmm.
And she's 11?
He is.
He is
yeah.
11? He goes to school?
He does.
So what do you do during the day?
Nothing.
You don't want to work?
No.
So you're just living off of his child support?
I am. And we live with our mother.
And you're proud of that?
Well, we were living with him, and I was a stay-at-home mom. He made the income.
Okay.
But, I mean...
But you can work now, right?
I can, but...
So it's but you can go get a job, right?
I could, but I'm not going to. My rent's free. My food is free. I mean, my mom's a homeowner. We don't have to pay nothing.
Okay. You know, I'm not going to go there with you today because you can... Obviously, you're able to work.
I'm able, but I don't want to.
And you should work, but again, that has nothing to do with me today. What we're going to do is talk about the modification of these numbers, all right? So your income has increased. It's increased about almost $400. So based on you saying that you receive about $90,000 on the high end, it brings your gross to about $7,500. Which your net is $5,465.22. That would bring, health insurance. Who covers health insurance?
I do.
And how much is that?
It's $110 a month.
Okay, $110. So what I'm going to do is give you credit actually for the health insurance coverage for the child. So that would slightly bring your child support down. And monthly, yes, slightly. It's still expensive. $1,093 a month is what he would pay in child support.
That's it?
That's it. Well, it would be more if you get a job.
He would pay more if I got a job?
No, it would be more for the child if you got a job.
Your Honor.
Ma'am, no.
You don't understand.
No, you don't understand. I'm basing his child support increase off of what it is that he makes. Nothing more.
He makes more than that.
Until you bring me something in here to show me that. That's what I'm going to base it off of.
You are going to see a lot more of this. It is going to be a human reality check for the ones who decide that they don't have to work. In the case, the example you just seen, it's time to wake up. Has nothing to do with the patriarchy. It has to do with the people having to take care of their obligations for the child. That's not hard to figure out. You don't like it? There's the damn door.